Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing this right here. It's actually a bread box. Seeing the outside of it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to install this and put this together for you guys. So let me try to get it out of the box. I actually really need a bread box because I want to start making bread. I actually need to stop eating bread for a little bit so I can lose the weight that I've gained over the past couple months. I've been gaining weight because I've been taking a lot of trips. So I actually need to slow down. So I'm just taking all the pieces out and then I'm going to show you how to put this together. So it says you want to get 2, 3, and 6. So they are numbered, like right here. It has number 6. And then we have 2 goes on this side and 3 goes on this side, and it says you want to get screw A's, which are these, and you're going to need 4 of these to put this together. So you're just going to grab this through here. That'll be the easiest way to do it. Just put it in this way, line it up with the holes right there and right there, and just start screwing them in. Okay, so when you're done with that, it tells you to put number 4, which this is number 4, in this way, and I don't think that it really matters which way you put it. I think the numbers are supposed to be facing the outside. That's what I'm gonna do. So you just slide this in, just like that. Like that, and then you'll have number 5, which is this right here, and then this is going to be bolted in right here. So you're going to squeeze it in, and there's like little holes on this side, so we're going to bolt this in right there. I always try to do it this way. It just seems like it makes it easier for me. And just kind of okay, I'm looking through the top hole because you can kind of see when it's over it. Just kind of put them in. And the same thing with this other side. So make sure I can see the hole from the top up here. And then I'm going to put this screw when it's lined up right over it. And then I'm going to screw it in, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and take this plastic off right now from both sides. It doesn't really matter when you do that. Okay, and now we're going to get number 1, which is this one right here. And we're going to screw it in on the top up there. Put this down for now. And then you'll screw it on all 4 sides and just look from the top. Make sure it's lined up, and then drop the screws down. And that's as easy as it is. And then once I'm done with this, I'll show you what's next. Okay, and then after you're done with that, you'll have this part right here, which is your bread cutter, your bread board, and then you'll just slide it right into there, just like this. And then you have your bread knife, which is this right here. So we're just going to take it out of there, put it right there. It's going to slide in just like that. So it slides in and out. So just like that. It's like getting stuck on the back of my bed. And then you'll have this right here if you want to like just grab bread directly out of here like that. So you can store like donuts or anything in here, any type of bread products. I do a lot of baking, so I will be putting this to use. I actually want to start making some Portuguese pop sticks, And then you can just go around and pick off the stickers. And if you wanted to, you could also paint this, like spray paint it to match your kitchen. I like the way it looks. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. But yeah, this is very nice and really good quality, and I could not wait to use it. On the back, it does have these little air holes so that your bread can breathe and it's not just gonna go stale on you, but it still keeps it closed from any bugs or anything getting in there. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.